Well, it's like I just can't resist. I see somebody that's got something I know that they're probably going to sell. I'm like, hey man, what do you want for that? But I've been looking for one of these for a long time. Twin cylinder, 1800 RPM, 7,000 watt motorhome generator. Sure have been looking for a long time for one of these. And stumbled across one where actually it just come right into my parking lot. So, a little trading around. He got what he needed and I got what I wanted. Yep, I don't even know what kind of generator it is. I know it's a Kohler engine, twin cylinder Kohler, and it's 7,000 watts. But I'm not sure of the brand. Kohler? I don't know. There's no tag on the generator head. This thing's huge. Man, it's huge. Probably weighs 500 pounds. I've got to get some wheels on it. Come with a cool crate. I think I'll probably bolt that up to it. Yep, it's a fully automatic type deal. One of them deals where you just push the button in the motorhome, it fires up. I can get the wiring figured out and a box built for it with a fuel tank, because it has its own fuel pump down there, electric start and all of that. Pretty nice deal. Ooh, there's an oil filter. Guess I'll be changing that. But yep, 7,000 watt Kohler, I guess. Kohler generator would it be? That's what it says. Kohler. Which Kohlers, they make engines, so I don't know. 56 amps, 7,000 watts, 1,800 RPM. Or is that 1,600? Either way, it's quiet. It'll be a quiet generator. Yep.